This is the parking elevator at the Macy's in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's from the former Wanamakers. It was the original Wanamakers. That was a HECHT'S converted to HECHT'S in '95. Strawbridge's in '97. No. Lord and Taylor in '97. But I don't think it was ever. I'm not sure. Never mind if it was ever Strawbridge's or not. But this was originally a Dover until Kone modded it recently. I like that blue indicator. You can see they have a W for Wanamakers. L.
Going up.
Name.
Guess I'm going to L.
I think I got it.
You think? Nah, it's all right. I can just walk down the elevator. Thanks for trying.
Same.
Lobby.
You have a wonderful day. Stupid. All right, so I'm gonna have to go up to the office building and then go back down to G, it looks like. Stupid elevator.
Parking level P3 going up.
Close it up. Pretty nice elevator. Fanta pineapple. We're gonna send it to P3. Here we are at L, and that's it.